A sudden cardiac arrest can happen to anyone at any age at any time.
Anthony, are you okay?
You're right.
Anthony, are you okay? Anthony, are you okay? Can you hear me?
I'll get the AED.
Call emergency services.
Responding calmly, calling emergency services, and immediately starting CPR is critical to the victim's outcome.
My coworker's unresponsive. Yeah, we're located at 523 Main Street. They say start the CPR.
Every second counts, since the chance of survival in cardiac arrest drops by 10% every minute you do not perform CPR.
The AED's arrived.
Having an automatic external defibrillator, or AED, nearby is crucial. Since every second counts, you should ideally have an AED located within approximately 3 minutes of every location within a building.
Unit, okay. Stay calm.
In addition, a ZOLL AED will guide even the untrained rescuer through proper CPR.
Check responsiveness.
It will also advise you if and when a shock is necessary.
Call for help.
They're on their way.
The AED-3 was designed for anyone to help save a life even without training.
Adult patient selected. If patient is a child, press child button. Remove pad package.
It is that easy to use. It guides the rescuer through every step. The latest guidelines suggest trained rescuers act as a team,
Cut or tear clothing to expose patient's bare chest.
with multiple people working simultaneously to accomplish tasks in parallel, much like a pit crew working to get a race car back onto the racetrack.
Attach pads to patient's bare chest.
ZOLL's unique CPR unipads have easy-to-read diagrams directing the rescuer on proper placement on the victim. The AED-3 large display will also further guide you.
Don't touch patient analyzing.
Touching the victim at this time could interfere with the heart analysis. The ZOLL AED-3 will detect the victim's heart rhythm and advise if a shock is required.
Shock advised.
Simply follow the easy instructions which are shown on the large display along with the voice prompts.
Don't touch patient. Press flashing shock button.
Shocking.
Shock delivered.
If a shock is advised, be sure you are not touching the victim and then press the flashing shock button.
Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
CPR should start immediately. The ZOLL AED-3 will only provide a shock if a shockable rhythm is presented. That makes using the ZOLL AED-3 extremely safe and gives extra confidence and comfort to any rescuer. Every patient requires good quality chest compressions at the correct rate and depth. This is critical to get the blood flowing and the heart back to a normal rhythm. The ZOLL AED-3 will start a metronome or beep will start immediately. You should begin pushing to match the tone, compressing the victim's chest hard. Through ZOLL's Real CPR Help guidance, it will instruct you every step of the way. It is the only AED solution to monitor CPR quality by providing both audio and visual cues, telling you how you are doing in real time.
Stop CPR. Don't touch patient analyzing.
This guidance provides the confidence and comfort to an untrained person.
Don't touch patient analyzing. No shock advised. Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
The depth indicator lets rescuers know when they provide high-quality CPR. The real-time feedback will provide you with information when your compressions are not deep enough. If your compressions aren't at least 2 to 2.4 inches deep, or 5 to 6 centimeters, the ZOLL AED-3 will let you know and instruct you to push harder. The ZOLL AED-3 provides the rescuer with an encouraging good compressions to let them know you are doing CPR correctly. A metronome will also guide you to achieve the required 100 to 120 compressions per minute per the guideline standard. Because high-quality CPR requires strenuous physical exertion, the guidelines recommend each rescuer to take turns performing only one cycle of CPR and resting in between.
Good compressions.
ZOLL's Real CPR Help has been shown to more than double a sudden cardiac arrest victim's chances of survival.
Stop CPR. Don't touch patient analyzing. Don't touch patient analyzing. No shock advised. Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
When emergency medical professionals arrive, they will take over the rescue. To help them do so, do not turn AED off. The ZOLL AED3 will provide them key information on how long since you attached the ZOLL AED3 and how many shocks, if any, have been delivered.